Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all a very special breakfast recipe that can help you lose weight fast very easily and is delicious as well. This breakfast recipe is best for working people and who are in hurry for the office in the mornings, and definitely for those who want to lose weight fast. This recipe is for overnight oats. It is so delicious and so fulfilling that you'll love this recipe and you'll start having this breakfast recipe each and every day. It hardly requires 5 minutes to prepare this recipe and your next morning breakfast is ready. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first let's check out the ingredients that you will be needing in this recipe. First is obviously gluten-free oats. I prefer the gluten-free roll oats, but if you cannot buy these oats, you can simply go for Quaker oats as well. But do not use any kinds of artificial oats prepared because they contain lots of preservatives in it which we do not want in our diets. Next important thing is chia seeds. Chia seeds, as you all know, are best for fiber content, are best for weight loss as they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, rich in protein content, high in antioxidants and provides lots of calcium. Now I personally prefer Jewel Farmers chia seeds. They are best in quality, but you can also buy the True Elements chia seeds. They are also best and easily available in the online market as well. Next ingredient is yogurt, or also known as dahi or curd. These were the major ingredients. Now the minor ingredients that you'll be needing are one fruit of your own choice. Either it can be mango because it's summer season, either it can be kiwi because it's good in nutritional content, or it can be strawberry, orange or apple, any kind of your choice. Second thing is some nuts, walnuts, almonds, some cashews or some pistachios as well. Just a half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of honey for sweetener and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. That is optional, but best if you use it. And you'll also need 1/4 cup of milk, low fat skim milk. You can also use almond milk if it's prepared already at your home, or you can skip and use the normal low fat milk as well. Now in a bowl, add oats, yogurt, cinnamon powder, chia seeds, honey and some nuts. Now mix all the ingredients well and keep this mixture in a mason jar or any kind of bowl overnight in fridge. Your overnight oats are prepared. Now after your early morning drink in the morning, have this overnight oats as your breakfast, but before having this, add the chopped fruits to it and add the milk in it as well, because the consistency tends to get a little thick overnight. Your healthy weight loss breakfast is ready. It is so nutritious and so good in taste that you will love this breakfast idea, and having it every day will tend to lose pretty much good amount of weight from your body, but definitely providing you with all the nutrients, vitamins and minerals that is required by your body each and every day. The breakfast needs to be rich, good in quantity, good in quality and nutritious in every manner, and it should be able to release the energy for the entire day to keep you active, to keep you healthy. To check out my oats diet plan for weight loss, the link will be in the description box below. You can check it out there as well. To buy any of the ingredients listed in this breakfast recipe, the link will be in the description box below. You can buy them all online, and to know their quantities and to know the quantity of the ingredients that are also listed in the description box below. So do not forget to check the description box below. And it's summer season, so do not forget to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water each and every day. That will keep you hydrated and also help you lose weight fast very easily. If you like my video, hit the like button and comment below if you have any query regarding any of my videos. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I post and upload daily there about what I eat in a day and how my diet goes each and every day. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always. I'll see you in my next one.